Hey everyone, we are Computer Polytechnic students from Zeal Polytechnic, Narhe, Pune, Maharashtra. We have made a Java project named as Create a Word File of Your Name on Desktop using Java. Under the guidance of Amruta More ma'am, my name is Payal Girish Pofli and my teammates are.
Hello, my name is Sandesh Shinde.
My name is Abhijit Putavati.
Hi, myself Shubham Kishan Gorpade.
Hey everyone, so our presentation starts here, and the topic given to us is create a Word file of your name on desktop using Java. So, what is Java? Let me introduce you to Java. As many of people you know Java, but still, Java is a high-level programming language developed by Sun Microsystems. It was originally designed for developing programs for set-top boxes and handheld devices, but later it became popular choice for creating web applications. The Java syntax is similar to C++ program, but is strictly an object-oriented program language. So Java file writer. So I'll definitely show you in the program, but let me explain you about it. So Java file writer class is used to write character oriented data to a file. So it is character oriented class which is used for file handling in Java. Unlike file output stream class, you don't need to convert string into byte array because it provides method to write string directly. As you can see, void write char c, it is used to write char array. Void write string text, it is used to write the string. Void flush, it is used to flushes the data of file. So now Java file class. So Java file class represents the file and directory path names in an abstract manner. This class is used for creation of files and directories, file searching, file deletion, etc. The file object represents the actual file, directory or directory on the disk. So here we start with the program. So import java.io.star, it basically provides a set of input streams and a set of output streams used to read and write data to files. So there are three categories of class in Java IO, that is input streams, output streams and everything else. So in string file name, we have created a file named as d://temp.txt. File writer is equals to new file writer. So basically, file writer is meant for writing streams of characters. File writer is used to write to character files. Here, you don't need to convert the string into byte array because it provides method to write string buffer writer. So basically, a buffer writer class is used to provide buffering for writer instances. It makes the performance fast. It inherits writer class. IO exception. IO exception is basically a Java exception which occurs when IO operators fail. Developer can explicitly handle the exception in a try-catch finally block and print out the root cause of the failure. So I want to tell you about one more thing about try-catch block. So generally the try statement allows you to define a block of code to be tested for errors while it is being executed. Then the catch statement allows you to define a block of code to be executed if an error occurs in the try block. Now, so let's move on to the output. Here is the output. So you can see we have been successfully create a Word file of your name on desktop using Java. Thank you so much for your precious time.